Hello, good day. My name is Teacher Melvi. What's your name? James? Wow. Hi, James. How are you today? Are you good? Feeling good? Yeah. So, James, are you ready for the lesson? Okay, James, let's start. This is our lesson. Can all birds fly? Can you read it, James? Can all birds fly? Can you say it? Yes. Very good. So, next slide. Oh, what can you see in the picture, James? What can you see? There are plenty of animals, right? So, what is this, James? Okay, okay, okay. Very good. That's monkey. How about this? Roar, roar. Wow, that's tiger. Yes, you are correct. And how about this? This one, the biggest of them all. Roar, has a long nose. That's elephant. And how about this? A giraffe. Yes, that is a giraffe. How about this animals, James? Ruff, ruff. Yes, that's the dog. Very good. How about this? Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, that's a cat. And how about this? Okay, that's bird, and this is a bird too. Wow. So you see a bird in the picture, right? That is a magpie. Yes, that's a magpie. Okay, that bird is a magpie. So can you read it, James? This is a magpie. Can you say it? Can you read it? This is a magpie. This is a magpie. Great. Okay, that is a magpie. And how many magpies are there? Yes. Can you count? One, two. There are two magpies. Very good. Two magpies. There's too many magpies, as you can see in the picture. Can you look and say? But first, we have to count how many birds are there in all. One, two,